Welcome to my channel Moto Active. 2022 Motobike Adventure BMW R1250 GS. Your wanderlust knows only one answer. The BMW R1250 GS Adventure. When you're commuting to a distant destination, you can count on it in every situation. You'll drive more safely and comfortably every mile. Learn more about the technical data and equipment of the R1250 GS Adventure here. Technical data: motorcycle type: air, liquid-cooled 4-stroke flat twin engine, dual overhead camshafts, 1 balance shaft and BMW shiftcam variable engine timing system. Hull X-stroke 102.5 mm by 76 mm, capacity 1254 cc, output value 136 HP at 7,750 revolutions per minute max. Torque 105 pound-feet at 6,250 revolutions per minute. Compression ratio 12.5. 1 mix control, electronic intake pipe injection, emission control, closed loop, 3-way catalytic converter. Performance: fuel consumption. Maximum speed over 120 miles per hour. Type of fuel: super unleaded. Octane number 95 RON. Adaptive fuel quality regulation, RON 91 to 98. Electrical system: alternator, 3-phase alternator with a nominal power of 510 watt, battery 12V, 11.8 aught, transmission power, clutch, wet clutch with anti-hopping function, hydraulic activation. Gearbox: constant mesh 6-speed gearbox with helical gear drive shaft, drive chassis. Brakes: frame 2-piece frame, front and bolted to rear frame, load-bearing machine. Location of front wheel: suspension BMW Motorrad telelever, stanchion diameter 1.5 inches, 37 mm, center spring support. Location of rear wheel suspension: single-sided cast aluminum swing arm with BMW Motorrad paralever. Watt support. Travel-related damping, hydraulically adjustable preload spring, varies continuously, in handwheel, adjustable rebound damping in handwheel. Suspension travel: front, rear 8.3, 8.7 inches, 210 mm, 220 mm, wheelbase 59.2 inches, 1504 mm, caster 3.8 inches, 95.4 mm, steering head angle 65.1 degrees, wheel. Cross-wheel rim: front 3.00x19 rim, rear 4.50 by 17 inches tires, front 120/70 R19 tires, rear 170/60 R17 brake, front dual disc brakes, floating disc brakes, 12.0 inches, 305 mm diameter, 4-piston radial calipers. Brakes: rear single disc brake, 10.9 inches, 276 mm diameter, dual piston floating calipers. ABS BMW Motorrad Integral ABS Pro Part Integral, slant layer optimized. Dimensions: weight, chair height 35.0 inches, 35.8 inches, 890 millimeters, 910 millimeters, inner leg curve 76.8 inches, 78.3 inches, 1950 millimeters, 1990 millimeters, usable tank volume 7.9 gallons. Keep approximately 1 gallon length more than mudguard, 89.4 inches, 2270 millimeters, height above the windshield, 57.5 inches, 1460 millimeters, width, handguard, 38.6 inches, 980 millimeters. Unloaded. Ready to go. Full fuel 591 pounds 1 total weight allowed 1069 pounds payload with standard equipment 478 pounds 1 according to VO EU guideline 168 2013 with all fluids, with standard equipment and fueled with at least 90% of usable tank volume. Equipment: standard equipment, TFT color display with connectivity, full LED headlights, DTC, dynamic traction control, integral ABS Pro, tilt optimized ABS. 3 riding modes: Eco, Rain and Road, HSC, Hill Start Control, USB charging socket optional equipment, dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment with auto load leveling and auto damping mode. Seat heating, rider and passenger, handlebar riser option, 719 milled parts, ride modes Pro, including additional modes: Dynamic, Dynamic Pro, Enduro and Enduro Pro, ride mode selection, individualized number of ride modes, automatic hill start control Pro, HSC Pro, DBC dynamic brake assistant and MSR engine brake control, Raleigh and triple black style variants.